Hey there metalheads, and welcome to another Eurobore video. Imagine you're trying to finish and shape metal in a tight or remote spot with no power outlet inside. You don't want to wrestle with extension cords or get limited by a corded tool. Instead, you want this machine. Today we're going to talk about the EBG.600 18-volt electric battery operated die grinder. Your new go-to for precision and power in metal finishing. This battery operated electric die grinder offers the perfect combination of mobility and efficiency. With no cords to slow you down, the EBG.600 18-volt gives you the freedom to work anywhere, whether it's in the shop or out on the job site. Perfect for die finishing, press work and molding work, this tool is designed to excel wherever you want it to, thanks to its lightweight, compact build and ergonomic design. The brushless motor delivers a powerful 800 watts. This machine ensures precision on every metal surface, thanks to our complete range of rotary burrs. With a stepless adjustable speed range of 7,000 to 26,000 RPM, and a collect size of 6mm or 1/4 of an inch, the EBG.600 18-volt is perfect for high accuracy work. Plus, it's powered by an 18-volt battery that's compatible with the LXT 18-volt platform, giving you the flexibility to use the same battery across multiple tools. So, if you're looking for precision, power and true portability, the EBG.600 18-volt cordless die grinder is your answer. Visit our website or give us a call to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe for more Eurobore updates. Thanks for watching metalheads, and see you next time.